Product unpacking and installation. Take out to forks. Take out and insert one straddle leg. Take out and insert the other. Adjust width and tighten bolts diagonally. Open battery compartment and connect power. Turn on the power. Place two forks in front of the fork carriage. Raise the fork carriage to the appropriate installation height. Remove the screws from the fork carriage. Release the fork positioning pin. Install forks and slide into the desired position, then engage the pin. Reinstall the screws.